If you're looking to attract and convert more opportunities with your ideal customer, it's really important that you not only have a plan in place, but you have a list of tools or a collection of tools to help that become possible. Now, in the trade and construction industry, you obviously have your base set of tools when you're going out on site to do a job. Regardless of what trade, you've got your essentials that you need in place to do a quality job with consistency. It's exactly the same thing with marketing and attracting quality opportunities. It's important that you've got the fundamentals in place and consistently use them over time to be able to get that flow of inquiries and leads coming through to the business instead of the roller coaster ride that most businesses experience. So when I ask businesses what's in your marketing kit or your marketing tool chest or toolkit, very rarely do they have anything that they use consistently. So what we've done is we've created for you a marketing kit checklist. Now, what we believe are some of the fundamentals to have in place that you can use or pull out at any stage to be able to get the best outcome that you're looking for. Now, do you need all of them? No. If you've got quality leads and quality work coming through with what you're doing at the moment, then you may not need to use any of them that we've recommended. But when people come to me and say, John, I'm short of leads, not quite sure what I can do, and I say, well, listen, have you run through our checklist? Have you looked at what we could put in place? And they go, well, no, I haven't really. Well, that's a bit like going fishing, hoping to catch something and just having the line in the water with no bait at the other end. So in this checklist, most of the things you could create, get other people to help you with, to put in place for a very small amount of financial investment. There's time and there's energy, but for a few $1,000s, you could set up this checklist for you as well that you could have in place. And keep in mind, the key thing around attracting consistent quality inquiries or leads is that most people will require a certain amount of time with your brand consistently over a number of different touch points through at least 3 to 4 different mediums as well. So this checklist will help you cover all of them. So grab hold of the checklist, use it, and if you need some assistance putting some of these concepts in place, please be in touch. Talk to you soon.